Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss about the capital account in balance of payment. So, what is the capital account in balance of payment? It is it records receipt and payment of such transaction which cause an impact on asset liability status of the country in relation to rest of the world. Liability or assets of a country are either raised or reduced. In other words, capital account transaction lead to future claims. Confusion is sometimes raised with regard to the export and import of capital goods like plant and machinery. Should such transaction be included in capital account? Answer is no. Let it be absolutely clear that the export and import of all type of goods, whether it is consumer goods or capital goods, is recorded as merchandise or visible trade in the current account of BOP. Thus, export and import of capital goods has nothing to do with the capital account of BOP. Clear? If you are buying any machinery, then it will not be added in capital account. Although all those transactions which are creating any liability or asset, it will be recorded in capital account. So what will be added in capital account? So what are the components? So there are two principal component of capital account. First one is borrowing and second one is foreign investment. Borrowing can be split as external commercial borrowing and external assistance. ठीक है बेटा, बोरोइंग को हम दो पार्ट में स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं, एक्सटर्नल कमर्शियल बोरोइंग एंड एक्सटर्नल assistance. So the principal difference between the two is that while external commercial borrowing is available in the market rate of interest, at the market rate of interest, external assistance is available at a concessional rate of interest. ठीक है, दोनों में जो difference होगा that will be only rate of interest. Borrowing from the rest of the world raises out liability to rest of the world, but note it carefully that it is a record as a credit item in the capital account of BOP. The reason is this: all receipts of foreign exchange are recorded as credit item in the BOP. Thus, borrowing of the rest of the world would be recorded as debit item in the capital account. It is as it causes flow of foreign exchange from our country. Clear? Borrowing clear? Second part is foreign investment. So what will be the foreign investment? Foreign investment again can be classified or split into two parts, that is portfolio investment and foreign direct investment, which is FDI. ठीक है बेटा, portfolio investment and foreign direct investment. Portfolio investment basically refer to the foreign institutional investment, that is FII. It is invested by rest of the world in share and bond of the domestic companies. And foreign direct investment, it relate to ownership of enterprise in the domestic economy by the rest of the world. For example, Walmart store in India, you know very well now what is the FDI. So foreign investment can be made in two ways. First one is portfolio management and portfolio investment, and the second one is foreign direct investment. Okay बच्चों, I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, thank you so much.